Why are you destroying our planet?
I have no choice.
Wait! What do you mean you don't have a choice? There's always a choice.
Not always. Treasure each moment with her and tell her she was right. We do have a choice.
I will no longer serve.